So hello everyone, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Praveen. So today we are going to discuss about the topic is called as how to calculate the N factor for the redox reactions. So for this you have to learn about the oxidation numbers. If you know automatically it is very easy. So here see one example, MnO4 minus in presence of H plus acidic medium, this changes to Mn plus 2. So what is this N factor? See here, first write the oxidation number, write plus oxidation number. So simplify, write like this. Mn plus 7 is changed to Mn plus 2. So here plus 2. So how many atoms, how many moles of the Mn is changing minus how many moles of the Mn changed to plus 2. This means how many moles is changes to reactant minus product you can do. Automatically you can get the N factor you can get. So how many is there? 1 Mn changed to plus 2 it is changing. So how many Mn changed to plus 7? How many Mn are present in the plus 7? 7. So automatically we get the 5. So N factor is also 5. O4 minus it changes to 2CO2 it is changing. So calculate the its N factor. So here see here carbon oxidation number is equal to plus 4 here. Here carbon oxidation number will be like a plus 3 it will be changed. So what we have to do, change in the oxidation number of the reactant minus change in the oxidation number of the product you can do. So how many is there here? Carbon 2 moles of the carbons is there. So 2 into reactant side. How many? 2 is there. What is the number is there? Just to multiply with this number. So 2 into 4. Reactant side done. So minus product side how many? 2 carbons. So 2 carbons. So how many is there? Oxidation number? It is 3. So 8 minus 2 3 is 6 is equal oxidation state it is equal to N factor, change in the oxidation is equal to N factor is also 2. The example, so MnO4 minus 3 moles of the MnO4 minus giving the 2 moles of Mn plus 2, 1 mole of the Mn plus 6. So what we have to do, we have to calculate the change in the oxidation number. So total how many moles of the MnO4? 3 moles of the MnO4. Out of 3 moles of the MnO4, 2 moles changed into Mn plus 2 is changing. 1 mole changed into Mn plus 6 is changing. That means what? Out of 3 moles, 2 moles changed into 2 Mn plus 2. So you can write like this also. MnO4 minus. So write like this. 2 MnO4 minus change it to 2 Mn plus 2. So what is this oxidation number? Plus 7. So 1 mole of the MnO4 minus change it to how much? Mn plus 6 is changed to Mn plus 6 is changed. It is oxidation number Mn plus 7. So better convenience you can write like this also you can write. So here what will happen? So plus 7 to plus 2. So what will be the oxidation state? 5. 5 will be the change in the oxidation state. How many moles is there? 2 moles is there. So 2 5s are 10. So here what will happen? Plus 7 to plus 6. What is the change in the oxidation? Number 1. So 1 total change in oxidation state how much? 11. So how many moles? So 11 by the change in oxidation state by the total moles. Change in oxidation by the total moles. It is 3. For example, if it is 5, here also you have to take. Here you have to take the change in the oxidation. Change in oxidation number by the total moles of particular reactant. Total moles of the reactant. The next example, K2Cr2O7 plus 14HCl gives rise to 2KCl plus 2CrCl3 minus 3Cl2 oxidation 0 7H2O. We have to find out the N factor. We have to find out. So 7 oxygen is there. 7 oxygen oxidation number is minus 14. 2 chromium, so oxidation state is plus 12. one oxidation state is +6. Here 2 potassium is equal +2. So here H plus Cl minus. So better you can write HCl only we are seeing the different type of oxidation states of the chlorine only we are seeing. So we can write 14 HCl H plus Cl minus. So better write like 14 HCl minus changes to 2K plus Cl minus. Out of 14 moles, 2 moles changes, doesn't change any oxidation state. So next you can see 2CrCl3 minus. So here also 14 Cl minus oxidation state also one only 1. There is no change in the oxidation state. These 6 chlorines doesn't show the any change in oxidation state. These 2 chlorines doesn't change the any oxidation state. What about the remaining 3Cl2 0? 3Cl2 0. That means 6 chlorines. So you can write out of 14. So this means what? 6 Cl minus changes to 6 Cl 0 oxidation state. So what is the change in oxidation state? 6 only is changing. So out of how many? Out of 8, only 6 is only changing to 1. Change in the oxidation state is equal to 1. 8 is doesn't change in the any oxidation state. That time what we have to do? Change in the oxidation state by total moles. How many moles of hydrochloric acid is there? 14. So if you do the simplification, 3/7. This is the n factor for these equations. So next you can see the how can you calculate the n factor for the complex ions. So here you can see iron having +2, carbon having +2, nitrogen will show some -3 oxidation state, carbon will show +4, here it will show the +5 oxidation state we can check. So now we can write whatever the changing in the oxidation state. Fe 6 carbon +2 and 6 nitrogen -3. So they are changed to Fe +2 is changed to Fe +3. 6 same whatever the reactant side is the same carbon atoms is there, product side also will be the same carbon atoms. The reactant side both sides will be the 6 carbons will be there. So 6 plus 4. So here also 6 nitrogen plus 5 will be there. So what is the changing in the oxidation state? So what is the changing in the oxidation state here? Here it is 1. Here it is what? Here it is what? 6 2s are 12. So here what will happen? One carbon is changing from the +2 to +4 it is changing. So one carbon it is the 2. But how many carbons are present here? Here 6 carbon is present. So that's why we can write the change in the oxidation state for carbon is 2. So for 6 carbon is there, we can write the 12 you can write here. So but here you can see -3 to +5 it is changing. -3 to +5 it is changing. So that means what? Change in oxidation number is equal 8. 1 nitrogen. How many nitrogens are present? 6 nitrogens are present. So it will be like a 48. So total count 61. So 61 is the n factor for the complex ion. 3 minus gives rise to KCl plus 3/2 O2. So here oxidation state of oxygen is -2. So it is +5. It is +1. So here K plus Cl minus 1. It is 0. So what happened? KK, okay, we cannot write. Cl plus 5 2, it is changing into Cl minus. So 1 chlorine only. So here oxygen 3 you can write like this. -2 2 is changed to 3/2 to 0 oxidation state. So you can see here from chlorine -1. So what is the changing in the oxidation state? It is a 6 changing in the oxidation state. So here also you can see one oxygen is -2. So one oxygen from the -2 to it is changing to 0 oxidation state. -2 is changing to 0 oxidation state. But how many oxygens is there? 3 oxygens is there. So total how much? 6 minus 6 to 0. That's what is the oxidation state here? 6 is the oxidation state. Oxidation and reductions we are seeing. So here one case it is losing, one case it is gaining. So 6 electrons is losing, 6 electrons is gaining. So that time we have to take it as a net electrons change. What is the net electron change here? Net electron change is equal to 6 only. We have to take the net electron change. So automatically n factor is also 6 only. Should not count as a 12. Why? Because here reduction and oxidation is involving. How many electrons is losing, how many electrons is gaining, is the number is the same here. So automatically what is the change of the oxidation state? You can say that only the 6 here we can see in this case. So this is about the redox reaction. So thank you for watching.